Hey everybody, this is Justin with Sonar Technologies, and today I'm going to come at you with another video with the benefits of working with a local developer in your community, right? If you like this kind of content and you're thinking about having maybe a mobile app or some custom software built for your business, be sure to I make videos for both Facebook and YouTube. If you're on Facebook, be sure to follow my page for more content and you get updates of what I'm working on. Same with YouTube, just subscribe to the channel and you'll get more updates from me about what I'm working on and behind the scenes stuff and just general app development questions being answered, right? So what the biggest perk of local development is you get faster delivery and less friction with say you working with a big agency from whatever city or wherever it is in the states. There's less time delay in between me being able to respond to issues you may be having. Usually I respond within 24 to 48 hours, and we can get the stuff done and fixed faster. Generally, for a larger agency, oh man, I always got a burp. Generally, for a larger agency, you would have to put a ticket in, right? And then you're gonna get a ticket, and they got a few of the guys looking at the tickets. He's gonna take a shot at it, and usually, like someone that doesn't, have a great understanding of what's going on. He's a new guy. Once he realizes he can't work on that ticket, he's gonna give it off to someone else. So there's a huge time delay when you're actually get to someone that can help you, as opposed to if you're working with someone local, you're gonna get someone that responds much faster. Um, Another good thing with working with a local developer is that there's local accountability. I live in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. I'm not going anywhere anytime soon. My family lives around here. So you don't have to worry about me like disappearing when, they're done working with you, right? Whereas if you're working with someone out of Texas, you're gonna have that chance where they're gonna just stop communicating with you, and then that will be the end of it, and then you have to go searching for someone else. And that someone else is going to be someone that doesn't know your project, so it's going to take more time for them to read over the code, and to get things done will be much slower because I mean they'd have to get acquainted with your project, they would have to get the code, they would have to do a lot of things to get caught up. So that's a perk of it. I'm always going to be here. Another thing is actually a security risk. If you go somewhere, at least out of the United States, you don't know who's working with your project. You don't know what code they're putting inside there. You don't know if they're going to steal your database later of all the information. It's definitely a big risk if you're going outside of the country. If you have something developed by someone that's not local, where I live in Oshkosh. Everyone I'm going to hire, if I ever do get to the point where I need employees, is going to be someone local, and we're going to build the community together within Oshkosh, Wisconsin, or the Fox Valley. Um, but yeah, those are the biggest reasons. It's going to be faster. You're going to have people local. You're going to keep the money within Oshkosh. We're going to hire more developers that would need it, and then we have a good team going here in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. I think that's about all I wanted to cover in this video today. I think the biggest benefit is that faster response time. Many times I am just taking on projects um, as needed at this point because my main product is Pump Pal, that fitness app I spoke of earlier. I'm usually working on that for about a week at a time. If I do get a project I want to take on from, say, a local business, I'll take a break from that. I got to make sure everything's up to par where I want it and it's working. And then I'll take over on your project, and that's what I do full time up to that point. If I find more people do want to use my services, I might take on some more work. But essentially, that's my pet project. That's what I'm working on. I am getting more users. I just hit 3,000 users, and I am working on that mainly. But yeah, if you're curious, once again, if you're on Facebook, just go ahead and follow my page. And then if you're on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more stuff. There's no rush. If you wanna, if you're curious, just follow me, and then from there we can work on something together later. All right, thanks. You have a good one.